Here comes CSX I-31, guys. Not much lighting in this area. The lead was 33.94. I should have pulled up a little closer. I pulled up right to the crossing and I didn't. Too late now. I know it's pretty darn dark, guys, and you can't really see it. I'm so sorry. I didn't think this one out. The train's up to speed. There's no need for me to race up against it because I'll never catch it. We're at the Pine Street Crossing, Florence, South Carolina. I should have filmed it at the curb crossing. Or I should have went a little further down to the on the go. DPU, all right, 3306. The head of this train's probably at the on the go by now. And there is the end of CSX I-31 Intermodal combo train. That train starts off in North Bergen, New Jersey. Heads south to Jacksonville, Florida, where it terminates, and we're gonna watch the gates go out. All right.